Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to make 3 smoothies that will help you lose weight, lose belly fat, and it will support the overall health of your body. So this was me prepping my Beet smoothie, and I'm going to share that in this video, so stay tuned. And this is my picture. Yes, I used to be very overweight. This is before and after. So in this video, I'm going to share with you smoothies that are loaded with ingredients that have the ability to help you to lose weight, sleep better, and lose belly fat. Also, if you don't have a juicer, we're going to make one into juice that you will enjoy drinking, and I'm sure you will not want to miss it. So stay tuned. Note that these ingredients are 4 in total, and they would be easy for you to make it. So let's get into it. So here is organic fruit and vegetable wash. I use my scrub to scrub it to remove all the dirt, because we're going to use the back of this pineapple. A big shout out to the person who requested that I make this video. I'm not just sharing one, I'm sharing 3 smoothies, and I know a lot of people will benefit from these. So thank you for asking. I know for sure that the ingredients in these smoothies are proven to help with weight loss and belly fat. So stay tuned. It's always good to wash your vegetables very well so that you will not cut the dirt through it while trying to cut open the vegetables. So washing it removes the germs from the back of the vegetable. This is our first smoothie, and drink this before breakfast and let it be the last thing you drink before you sleep. And let me tell you, in the morning you're going to poop out fat, and this will help you to lose weight as well. So next we move on to the second smoothie, which is beet smoothie, the one you saw in that clip when I was still overweight. So I'm sure you're gonna love this. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and make it and share the testimony. And I'm gonna make this one into juice, so stay tuned as well. Thank you for watching. This is another drink that will help you feel full, control your appetite, lower cholesterol, and many more health benefits. And you can have this first thing in the morning or last thing before you sleep. And hold on, we're going to make in juice form if you are not comfortable drinking it because of the fiber in it. And this is the sieve that I'm going to use, and this is very easy, so you can make it and enjoy it. This is it, how to make juice even when you don't have a juicer. And this is the fiber, so if you don't like it with the fiber, you can make it into juice. But personally, I love it with the fiber because I get all the benefits that comes with the fiber. There you have it. I love this one because you don't have to chew and it gives you the same benefits. And this is the one with the fiber and the one without the fiber. Let me know which one is your favorite. Thank you so much for watching. And next, we move on to green smoothie. Here is another powerful detox drink that would support your health. It's anti-inflammatory, antioxidant. It aids in digestion. This will help you to lose weight, lose belly fat. This also enhances great bowel movement, and all these drinks are amazing for weight loss, belly fat. Also, it helps you sleep better, lowers blood pressure, lowers cholesterol, balances blood sugar, and it supports the overall health of your body. In the comments below, let me know one ingredient that was common in these recipes. Thank you so much for watching.